channel. By the way, if you're new to my channel, I'm Toriel and I do video once in a while. Alright, for today's video, we'll be doing another unboxing. Charan! We just received this parcel today. We bought this actually online. Of course, it's online now. Nowadays, people are buying online products because it's easier. You don't need to go out and look for the thing that you want. You can just browse online. Alright, okay, so this is the parcel that we ordered online. This is actually from brand Galaxy. Yeah, I don't know whether this online shop is only available here in Greece, but when I browse the apps, more of the items are all branded. So, and they have this campaign every month that some of their items are affordable and with discount. So since we're looking for this item and we found it cheaper or with discount in their application, so that's why we ordered it. Alright, so I'm gonna show it to you guys and I'm gonna make a review for this, whether it's good or not, or whether it's good buy. Alright, so keep on watching, guys. Towel, guys. It's actually a bath towel. Okay. So here it is, guys. So it's actually a bath towel. So it has 3 colors, guys: brown, and then light brown, and then this one is like slightly gray in color. And this is the brand, guys. It's Beverly Hills brand. Alright, so let's take a look whether it's soft. So, and whether it's thick. Yeah, so the thickness is like this. This is the texture. And it has this line here. Okay, show you the texture. Yeah. And they have this embroidery here. Beverly Hills Polo Club. I love this color, this dark brown. It's nice. And this one, this light one. Show you guys how wide it is. So just like that. So for my height, let's see, I'm going to use it. So just like that, and yan siya guys. Oops, sorry for the mess. So, ayan siya guys. So, up to here. So, it's above my knee guys. So, if it's above the knee. I'm gonna... There's the size of this in the website. I'm gonna put the size of this on the description guys. Alright, so... It's nice, it's very soft to touch. Yeah, it's soft. There's an ordinary towel that you can buy in the shops outside, but seems like it's a bit, what do you call it? It's like hard. It's not cotton. Oh, that's cotton also. It's like it's a bit hard. But this one is, yeah, softer. Alright, so I think that's fine for this price. I'm gonna include the price of this as well in the description box. If you want to purchase from them, then you can check their website. Alright, so that's all for today's guys. Alright, so that's all for today's video guys. So like this video, please give us a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe guys. So see you on my next one. Love you all guys. So I'm gonna wash this so we can use it and try.